Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Google Maps and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store, you can search about Google Maps. Then you will click here. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.